Now if you're on Windows, all you have to do now to get WSL installed is launch your Windows terminal. Just go to your search bar and search for terminal. And with one command, it'll just happen. It used to be so much harder, which is WSL install. It'll go through a few steps. It'll install Ubuntu as default. I'll go ahead and let that do that. And boom, just like that, I've got Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS installed, and I'm actually inside of it right now. So now at this point, Linux and Windows folks, we've converged, we're on the same path. Let's install Ollama. I'm gonna copy that curl command that Ollama gave us, jump back into my terminal, paste that in there, and press enter. Fingers crossed, everything should be going great, like the way it is right now. It'll ask for my sudo password. And that was it. Ollama is now installed. Now this will directly apply to Linux people and Windows people. See right here where it says NVIDIA GPU installed? If you have that, you're gonna have a better time than other people who don't have that. I'll show you here in a second. If you don't have it, that's fine, we'll keep going. Now let's run an LLM. We'll start with Llama 2. So we'll simply type in Ollama, run, and then we'll pick one, Llama 2. And that's it.